Exercise 2. In question 1 to 12, find the area of triangle ABC, where AB is equals to small c, AC is equals to small b, and BC is equals to small a. Sketch the triangle in each case. Question number 1. A is equals to 7 cm, B is equals to 4 cm, and angle of C is given and it is 80 degrees. C caps means angle of C is given and it is 80 degrees. A is equals to 7 cm, B is equals to 4 cm means they are the sides of this triangle. So opposite to vertex A, opposite to angle A, opposite to corner A, there is a side named as A, and opposite to vertex C, side C is there, and opposite to corner B, side B is here. So A is equals to 7 cm, B is equals to 4 cm, and angle of C is given and it is 80 degree. So if two sides are given and one angle is given, area of triangle formula will be area of triangle is equals to half times product of given sides multiply by sine angle of missing side. So half given sides are A and B, so A times B multiply by sine, and you see here which side is missing in A, B and C. C is missing here, so write sine C is equals to half times A is 7 cm, B is 4 cm multiply by sine C is given and it is 80 degree. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 7 twos are 14, 14 ones are 14 times sine 80, and solve this sine 80 from your calculator. So 14 times sine 80 is equals to 48.3 centimeter square. So area of this triangle is 48.3 centimeter square. Equation number 2 is B is equals to 11 centimeter, A is equals to 9 centimeter, angle of C is equals to 35 degrees. So first sketch the triangle. Mention their vertices A, B, C, and opposite to vertex A, side A, and opposite to vertex C, side C, and opposite to vertex B, side B is here. A is given and it is 9 centimeter, B is given and it is 11 centimeter, and angle of C is given and it is 35 degree. So area of this triangle is equals to half times product of given sides multiply by sine angle of missing side. Half times product of given side means A and B, these sides are given, and it sine angle C is missing between side A and B, so half times A is 9 centimeter, B is 11 centimeter times sine 35 is equals to 9 centimeter. Half times 9 times 11 times sine 35 is equals to 28.4 centimeter square. Question number 3, C is equals to 12 meter, B is equals to 12 meter, and angle of A is given and it is 67.2 degrees. So sketch the triangle A, B, C is the vertices of triangle, and opposite to these vertices sides are given. Opposite to vertex A, side A, opposite to vertex C, side C is there, and opposite to vertex B, side B. So area of triangle formula is half times product of given sides multiply by sine angle of missing side. Half times B times C times sine A. A is missing over there, so write A with sine. Half times 12 times 12 times sine 67.2 degrees reduced into 66.4 meter square.